Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Declaration of Independence was designed for multiple audiences: the king, the colonists, and the world. It was also designed to multitask. Its goals were to rally the troops, win foreign allies, and to announce the creation of a new country.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
We, therefore, the representatives of the United States of America, in General Congress, assembled, appealing to the Supreme Judge of the world for the rectitude of our intentions, do, in the name, and by authority of the good people of these colonies, solemnly publish and declare, that these united colonies are, and
take our lead.
The committee included Jefferson, Benjamin Franklin, John Adams, Robert Livingston, and Roger Sherman. Robert Livingston, one of the members of the committee who wrote the Declaration of Independence, never signed it. He believed that it was too soon to declare independence and therefore refused to sign.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Protection of their natural rights. How did Thomas Jefferson justify breaking away from Britain in the Declaration of Independence? He explained how the British government had absolute power and was violating the colonists' natural rights. To declare our independence from Britain and justify the American Revolution.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.